Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photos into 3D AI figures using Google Gemini and make it into a video. So here I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini AI for the viral photo and video editing, plus the best solutions to make your edits look clean and professional. So this is how the 3D AI figures will look like. And if you want to create your own, you can just follow my steps in here. So what you need to do first is open the Gemini applications on your phone, or you can also open it on the browser. Just find Google Gemini on your browser, and here on the prompt box, on the text box at the bottom in here, you can just use this prompt. Use the nano banana model to create a 1/7 scale commercial figure in realistic style and environment, and place it on a computer desk using a circle and transfer I'll click base without any text. And on the computer screen, display the ZBrush modeling process of the figure. And also place a Bandai style toy packaging box printed with the original artwork. Now just click on the plus button to enter the photo that you want to edit. You can add a photo that has more than one object. So for example, I'm going to use this photo. Click on done. Wait until the photo is uploaded. Now just click on this button to turn the photo into 3D AI figures. Let's just wait. Okay, so now the image is done, and if you scroll down, you can see the result. So download the image in here. Still loading. Let's just wait until it's fully finished. So once the image is downloaded, to turn it into a video or to make it alive, you can use this app called First in here. Now you can just head to the template options, and on the trending options in here, if you scroll down, you'll see this option, figuring me up. So click on the use template, and then here choose the photo that you want to turn into a video. So this one, click on done, and just click on create. So now the video is generating, and you'll be notified if it's done. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.